Hello students, now in this video let us start our next topic in a linear programming problem, that duality. Now what is the duality? Associated to each given LPP there corresponds another problem called as dual of the given LPP. Given problem is called as primal. Associated to each given LPP there corresponds another problem called as dual of given LPP. Dual of given LPP. The given problem is called as primal. The given one is primal. From that we will obtain dual. Now there are some rules to construct a dual of an LPP. So general rules to construct a dual of LPP. General rules to construct the dual of LPP. So first rule, suppose in that one, the first one, if the primal is of maximization type, its dual will have minimization type. And just opposite to this, B part, if primal LPP is of minimization type, its dual will have maximization type. Means the objective function get changed. Minimization, then it will become maximization. If maximization, then it will become minimization according to primal and in dual. Now the second rule is for constants. In that one, for maximization type of LPP or type of primal LPP, consider all constraints to be less equal type. Consider all constraints to be less equal type. If not, sometimes it happens, some of the constraints are of not less equal type, but in which case maximization. If not as such, convert them into less equal type. Then its dual will take will take all constants, dual will take all constants to be greater equal type. You know, maximization type of objective function, then it will become minimization type, and we have to consider the constraint should be less equal type, and in dual they becomes greater equal type. Now just opposite to this, for minimization type of primal LPP, consider all constraints to be which type? Greater equal type. Greater equal type. If not, as such, if not like them, convert them into greater equal type. If not convert them first, then its dual will take all constraints to be less equal type. All constraints to be less equal type. Now the third rule is about the variables and constraints. If primal LPP has n variables, if primal LPP has n variables and m constraints, its dual will have m variables. Its dual will have m variables and n constraints. Generally primal variables are denoted by x1, x2 and so on up to etc. While the dual variables are denoted by y1, y2, y3 and so on etc. As such. Now the next rule, rule 4, fourth rule, primal objective function is Z and the dual objective function is denoted by Z star. It is denoted by Z star. Then one more rule, fifth rule, coefficients of objective function in primal will become will become the right hand side constants. Right hand side constants of the constants in the dual, of the constants in the dual, and vice versa. Vice versa means what? Now these are general rules. Now let me revise them. If the primal is of maximization type objective function, primal having a maximization type objective function, then its dual it will become minimization type. If the primal having minimization type of objective function, then its dual will have maximization type of objective function. Now, for maximization type of primal LPP, we have to consider all the constraints should be of less equal type. If not as that, first of all, let us convert them into less equal type. Then its dual will take the constraints to be of greater equal type, because it will become of minimization type. Now for minimization type, we have to consider all the constraint of greater equal type. If not as such, convert them into greater equal type first. Then its dual will take all the constraints of less equal type. Now, if the primal having n variables and m constraints, then in dual these positions are interchanged. In dual, constraints takes place by variables and variables takes place by constraints. Generally, the primal variables are x1, x2 and so on. We know them. We had solved an example. In those one, we are taking these one, x1, x2 as such. While the dual variables, we are using y1, y2 and so on. This is the general notation. Now the next rule, primal objective function is denoted by z and the dual objective function is denoted by z star. Next rule, the coefficients of objective function in primal will become the right hand side constants of the constraint in the dual, and vice versa, means the coefficients of or the right hand side constants of the dual will become the coefficients of objective functions in that one. Okay. Now here we will solve examples on them. The question is that obtain the dual problem. Now I will take type 1. All the constraints are of less equal type, suppose. Then how to obtain the dual of them? Suppose the example is that in that one, suppose the first example, maximize z equal to 3x1 plus 5x2 subject to x1 less equal 3, 2x2 less equal 8, 5x1 plus 6x2 less equal 30, such that x1, x2 greater equal 0. Now our aim is that we have to obtain a dual of this given LPP. You know, this is a primal. So solution, since primal has how many variables are there? 2 variables. Primal has 2 variables. And how many constraints? And 3 constraints. 3 constraints. Therefore, its dual will take, you know the rule, dual will take 3 variables and 2 constraints. 3 variables and 2 constraints. Okay. Now 3 variables for dual. So let us assume them. So let y1, y2, y3, will be the dual variables. Dual variables. Now we can summarize the primal dual table as now let us summarize them here. Primal variables, here dual variables. You know, primal variables are x1, x2. Dual variables are y1, y2, y3. Okay. Now let me summarize them. How does that? Look at it. x1. Now write down the coefficients from the constant. Now the first constant having the coefficient 1 and x2 is 0. Now it is less equal 3. So that less equal 3 I will write here. Now here 2x2. So x1 is absent. So 0. Here 2 less equal 8. Now for third, here I must write 5 and the coefficient is 6 less equal 30. Now this is about the given primal constants. From this primal constant we will write this. Now here also something we have to write. For that, let us use the coefficients of objective function. You know, the coefficients of objective functions of a primal will become right hand side constants in a dual, and the coefficients of the right hand side constants of primal will become coefficients of objective function in dual. Okay, so here and now in dual all the constants are of less equal type. So sorry, in primal all the constants are of less equal type. In dual they become of greater equal type. So here I must write greater equal what? This first coefficient, that is 3. You know, it is a coefficient of x1 in objective function. The coefficient of x2 is what? 5. So it is greater equal 5 as such. So from this we can write a dual. Therefore I will write the required dual is how does we write? Now the problem objective function is of maximize type, so it will become of minimization type. I must write minimize z. So it will become here in dual we are denote it by z star. Minimize z star equal to, what does it will become? Look at here. These are right hand side constants in a primal. They become coefficients of objective function in dual with these variables y1, y2, y3. So I must write 3y1 plus 8y2 plus 30y3. So 3y1 plus 8y2 plus 30y3 subject to what we get here. This is y1, y2 is absent, plus 5y3 greater equal 3. y1 plus 5y3 greater equal 3. Then next, this is absent. So 2y1 plus 6y3. 2y2 plus 6y3 greater equal 5. Greater equal 5. Such that these y1, y2, y3 are greater equal 0. They must be positive. So this is our required dual of given LPP. This is a dual of this LPP. Remember it. Now let me take the next example. Now the next problem, let us take all the constants are of greater or equal type. Suppose my problem is that minimize z equal to 10x1 plus 6x2 plus 2x3 subject to minus x1 plus x2 plus x3 greater equal 1, 3x1 plus x2 minus x3 greater equal 2 with or such that x1, x2, x3 greater equal 0. So the solution you know, as primal has 3 variables and 2 constants. 3 variables and 2 constants. 2 constants. So this implies dual will take 2 variables and 3 constants. 2 variables and 3 constants according to the rule. Therefore, let y1, y2 are the dual variables. Therefore, summarize primal dual table as, so let me write the primal variables here, dual variables. Now the primal variables are x1, x2, x3. Dual variables are y1, y2. Now let us write down the coefficients from the constants of primal variables. So here minus 1, 1, 1, greater equal 1. Here 3, 1, minus 1, greater equal 2. Now the problem is of minimization type and the constant are of greater equal type. All should be of greater equal type. It is satisfying here, so no need to do any changes in a constant. They remains same. Now here this is of greater equal type, so in dual that will become of less equal type, but with these values. So it will be less equal 10, here also less equal 6 and less equal 2. Okay, so from this the dual is, from this let me write the dual. Therefore the required dual is, what does that? It will be maximize, minimize will become maximize z star equal to, what does it? 1 y1 plus 2 y2. So y1 plus 2 y2. These right hand side constants of primal will become the coefficient of objective function in dual, and the coefficient of objective function in primal will become right hand side constants of dual, subject to what? Minus y1 plus 3y2 less equal 10. Then y1 plus y2 less equal 6. Again y1 minus y2 less equal 2. Such that what should we get? This y1 y2 greater equal 0. So this is our required dual of the given LPP. Okay, now let me take one more example of this kind. The next example of the same kind, minimize z equal to 7x1 plus 3x2 plus 8x3 subject to 8x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 greater equal to 3x1 plus 4x2 plus 5x3 greater equal 1. x1 plus 3x2 plus 2x3 greater equal 4. Then x1 plus 5x2 plus x3 greater equal 5, such that x1, x2, x3 greater equal 0. Now again, as primal has how many variables? 3 variables. Primal has 3 variables and how many constants? 4 constants. 4 constants. So dual will take 4 variables and 3 constants. 3 constants. Therefore, let y1, y2, y3, y4 are the dual variables. Therefore, summarize primal dual table as here primal variable, then dual variables. So primal variables are x1, x2, x3. Dual variables are y1, y2, y3, y4. So now let us write down the coefficients and the right hand side constants. Let us use them. 8, 2, 3 greater equal 2. 3, 4, 5 greater equal 1. 1, 3, 2 greater equal 4. 1, 5, 1 greater equal 5. Now here all the constants of greater equal type, so in dual they will become less equal, and we are using the coefficients in objective functions. This is 7 less equal 3 less equal 8. So now the dual is therefore the required dual is, how can we write it? Minimize will become maximize. Z will become Z star. Maximize Z star equal to these one. 2y1 plus y2 plus 4y3 plus 5y4. 2y1 plus y2 plus 4y3 plus 5y4. Subject to what we get? 8y1 plus 3y2 plus y3 plus y4 less equal 7. 8y1 plus 3y2 plus y3 plus y4 less equal 7. 2y1 plus 4y2 plus 3y3 plus 5y4 less equal 3. Then next 3y1 plus 5y2 plus 2y3 plus y4 less equal 8. Okay, such that y1, y2, y3, y4 all are greater equal 0. So this is our required dual of given LPP. Now there are two more cases, that the third one appearance of equality constraint and the fourth one appearance of unrestricted variable. So let me take those one in next video. Thank you.